Hello everyone. So today first I am going to fix few bugs in my character jumping system, and then I am going to import this peasant girl model to the project, and I am going to retarget all the animations of this guy, of this brute character, to the girl. So all of these animations we already have set up for this brute character. I'm going to retarget them to this girl model, and not just the animation, also the animation blueprint and blend space and everything we have used for this brute character. So then I can use this character for another civilian type, and that's what I'm going to cover today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so yeah, first before proceeding with the usual stuff, I need to fix some issues I have in my project. For example, whenever I play the game, you can see here, see, some fall damage happens even though the character's fall in length is too small. So the issue here is this value, the velocity at the moment of my character land on the ground. I check if the vertical velocity is larger than -500. So I think I should increase this. Maybe let's try 800. Okay, that time it was alright. Let me check again. Great, no damage. And the next problem is when I press space to jump, this character stop moving like this. Now once I play jump, it doesn't move at all. See, so that's also an issue I have. So turns out the problem is this. Here in the jumping and dodging part, if I don't have any closer enemies, what I do is I update the moment state to jump in and start the jump animation. So when I change the moment state to jump in, here in animation blueprint I have set this upper body blending weight to 0 when my moment state is in jump mode. So yeah, so that's a problem. So I guess I should make this 1. And let's see what happens. Oh, still no luck. Why is that? Let's check again. Here I change this to jumping and play the vocal and do the actual jumping and play this animation montage. So for now let's ignore this part and see what happens. Alright, seems that is working. Okay, so that was the issue. Okay, so for now let's leave it like that and let's continue with the usual stuff. So back to civilians. Now what's the next thing I should do? Well, now other than just having one type of a civilian, it would be better if I can have multiple types of civilians. So alright, so let's first check. This is our civilian character and this is the skeleton. Okay, so maybe let's go to Mixamo and download some other types of civilians. So whom should I use? This character is good, but I don't need the axe to be in his hand. Okay, what about her? No, she looks like a special character. Doesn't look like a normal character. It has to be a civilian. So these are modern characters. Hey, this is our guy. This guy is odd. Don't we have a normal? Oh, here we have a peasant girl. Alright, let's use her. Okay, she does look cartoonish, but that's alright. Let's download her. And let's create a folder to import her. Let's call it peasant girl. Oh, there should not be an H. Okay. I don't think I can choose the brute skeleton because even though it should have the same Mixamo skeleton, I think we would have problems. But anyway, let's try with that just to see what happens. Okay, now let's preview this with the peasant girl. Whoa. Yeah, the animation does work because they has the same skeleton, but I don't really have a great enough knowledge in about animations to say what exactly going on there. So right, let me delete this and let's import it as a new character. Alright, let's try again now. this time without selecting any skeleton. Okay, so now actually I think I would have to use all other instead of downloading all other animations. Let's try to retarget this brute characters animations into the peasant girl. So to do that, let's go here and skeleton, retarget manager, select humanoid rig, okay, what should I select here? Oh, let's use this auto map. Okay, I hope that will be alright. And as the current skeleton, let's select peasant girl. Right, now let's go to brute character and the skeleton and retarget manager. Let's select humanoid rig and select auto map. Here I think I should select this brute as the current skeleton and save. Okay, now select BPA brute and retarget animation blueprint, duplicate anim blueprints and retarget, select, let's drag and drop this one here. No, shouldn't this appear here? Let's go back to peasant girl. I think we have to okay, now let's go back. Oh, not the human, brute. Alright, I think that was a bug. And let's do the retargeting into this peasant girl folder and retarget. Oh, it looks like a problem. Yeah, of course. Why is that? I think we have some options to fix it. Okay, let's try. Here we have retargeting options. Let's try animation scaled. No, nothing changed. Oh, how to set them all? Okay, that was wrong. No, all of the options are not working. Alright, I don't think this is going to work, and I'm not sure that I can fix this too. So therefore let's delete these all and try again with different settings. Okay, here let's again give auto map and let's set it to show base. And alright, I guess this is wrong. Left shoulder is not pelvis. To actually see that, let's see if we have the mannequin here. No. Right, so anyway, hips cannot be the root, so I'll leave root as none, and pelvis should be hips, and spine 1 should be spine 1, spine 2 should be, no, spine 1 should be spine, and spine 2 should be spine 1. Yeah, then spine 3 should be spine 2. So clavicle, what's clavicle? It should be left shoulder, and okay, I should have checked this before. And upper arm should be whatever below the left shoulder. That means, let's say, left arm. Lower arm should be forearm, and handle is left hand. Right, so clavicle R is right shoulder, and upper arm R is should be right arm, and lower arm should be right forearm, and hand are right hand, neck 1, neck, head, okay. Thigh should be left up leg, calf L should be left leg, and foot L is left foot, and thigh R should be right leg, right up leg, and calf R is right leg, foot R is right foot. Okay, now shall we try with these settings? But I guess I have to set that for the brute skeleton too. Do we need to save these things? Oh, yeah. Mixamo. Okay, and now can we load that to brute? Oh, right. That's easy. Okay, so but the root shouldn't have a root actually. So what can we do about that? It should be none, yeah. So I'll remove root. Maybe that would introduce more problems, but I don't know. Let's see. Only one way to find out. Right click, retarget, select the peasant girl, change the folder to character peasant girl. Let's add a new folder, retargeted. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, it seems good. What about running? Cool. And working. Awesome. Oh, something is wrong in the fingers. Right, so we need to fix that too. Let me delete them again. Okay, and now here let's show advanced index L Can we auto map this? Index 1 L, that means left hand index 1. Left hand, we have thumbs. Okay, left hand index 1. Index 2 L means left hand index 2. Index 3 L means left hand index 3. And middle, that should be left hand middle 1. Middle 2 should be left hand middle 2. And middle 3 should be left hand middle 3. Pinky, left hand pinky 1. Pinky 2 is left hand pinky 2. Pinky 3 is left hand pinky 3. Ring, left hand ring. One. Ring 1 should be left hand. Ring 1, ring 2 is left hand ring 2. Ring 3 is left hand ring 3. Then thumb, left hand thumb 1. Thumb 2, left hand thumb 2. Thumb 3 is left hand thumb 3. Upper arm twist. Lower arm twist. What's that? Well, for this, let's give left arm. Upper arm twist. Oh, this is lower arm, so let's give forearm. And upper arm, let's give left arm. Now index fingers. Index 1R, that means right hand index 1. This should be right hand index 2. Should be right hand index 3. And middle finger, be right hand middle 1. And right hand middle 2. And right hand middle 3. Pinky, right hand pinky 1. Right hand pinky 2. Right hand pinky 3. Ring, right hand ring 1. Right hand ring 2. Right hand ring 3. Thumb, right hand thumb 1. Right hand thumb 2. Right hand thumb 3. Oh, still we have right hand lower arm twist. Let's give right forearm. Upper arm twist. Let's give right arm. Ball L. Calf twist. Let's give left leg. ball L left toe end, SQ left toe base, thigh twist. I'm pretty sure it's not head top, so let's give left leg, calf twist. Let's give left foot, I don't know, ball calf twist R. Let's give right leg, polar left toe base, sorry, right toe base, thigh twist, right leg, okay, send that over it. IK foot root none, okay, let's, for IK foot root I'll give left foot, no, left toe base, IK foot L, I'll give left toe base, this I'll give right toe base. IK hand R, I'll give left hand, sorry, IK hand R, I'll give right hand, and IK hand L, I'll give left hand. Custom, I don't know, let's save to bone mapping Mixamo advanced, save, and now let's go to brute skeleton and load bone mapping Mixamo advanced. So if I go to show advanced, we have these settings. If I go to show base, we have this. Okay, okay, now let's select save all and go here, select the animation blueprint, duplicate and retarget, select the girl, change the folder to character, peasant girl, retargeted, and retarget. And now let's see the fingers are correct. They seems better than before, but still I feel like they are kind of odd. Maybe fine. Anyway, if I enable retargeting options and under left hand, if I recursively set them to skeleton, nothing changed. If I recursively set them to orient and scale, it looks like this. What about running? Okay, we can test that here. This is the right hand, so in the right hand I set recursively orient and scale. Which one is more correct? Well, this is wrong. Set to animation, nothing changed. Set to animation is scaled, nothing changed. Set to skeleton. Okay, I think skeleton is better. And let's leave that option for the left hand too. But anyway, that detail is not very significant because the base details are alright. So I'll leave it like this. And yeah, now that we do have this. Oh, this shouldn't be root, this should be BPA peasant girl. Oh, okay, now that I have this one, I'll stop this episode at this point, and in the next episode I'll show you how to create another character, another civilian character with that girl model we just created. And yeah, if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.